we'll take the old bridge route away from the crowds. You see the ruins there, quite a majestic ruin. Unfortunately, the place is a bit rammed, and you've got all these fucking cocksuckers parked on the verge. It's practically impossible to get the van through, but just managed that. Now imagine this little moat was probably the defences. Looks like a little bridge coming up. I also got parked in the main car park. Considering it's a historic environment Scotland building, and I'm a member, not that it gives me priority, but probably would do if it was payable. And the kitchen. A waste outlet on your left. That's the waste outlet there.
I thought it's like
chamber, a drawing room off the hall where the host and his more intimate guests could relax and retire. There up there was the old wooden castle to the house support buildings such as stables, buildings and workshops. So that was this whole area here. This is the cellar. I imagine that'd just be another cellar, is it? Yeah, two cellars. Porter's Lodge. Oh, this is the latrine. Oh, toilet. prison pit. God, can you imagine back in the day how cold that would be? How depressing. Yeah, it's a stair to the Lord's Hall. So maybe the stair went up into there, and then the prison below. Now into the main. Oh, I can see that. Look at the wall there. Jesus, that's a whole section that's just, God, it's even got the wee sign telling you what it is. This area has been protected to allow the turf to recover from erosion. This fencing will be in place for a number of seasons to allow the new material to settle and stitch into the original slopes. Jesus. Oh, there's a sign away up there I can't read. Lord's Hall. It's the Lord's Hall. So there's where the beams would have been. The lower hall. A storage space beneath the Lord's Hall on the upper floor, possibly used also to accommodate members of the Lord's household. The red and stonework suggests that this great tower was destroyed by fire. Wow, that is just mental, that whole section. That probably would have, yeah, that would have joined on with that bit of wall there. Wow. The postern side gate into the bailey with provision for 2 wooden drawbar across the door. That would have been the 2 wooden bits there. There's not much to see out here. Well, there is. Certainly crumbled away. You can see that little window. That's totally disjointed. Well, there you go, there's Duffus Castle behind me. Very, very interesting ruin. It's free to turn up, as the car park testifies. Stupid, selfish people parking.